about test tube rainbow. The equipments we need for this are 3 cups, measuring cylinder, test tube, scoop and a staining stick. Materials we need for this are blue color, red color, yellow color, crystal powder and water and milk. Step 1. Fill 15 ml water in each cup. Step 2. Add 2 drops of red color first cup. And 2 drops of blue color in the second cup. Add 2 drops of yellow color in the third cup. And add half scoop of crystal powder in each cup. Step 3. In the measuring cylinder, add 15 ml water and 1 scoop of milk. Step 4. Now add 1 drop of blue color and 2 drop of red color. In the mixture and mix well. Now add half scoop of crystal powder in the mixture. Step 5. Once all 4 kinds of crystals are ready, place 3 different colored crystals into the test tube as is shown. Step 6. Now close the lid and place the test tube upside down and wait for 25 to 30 minutes.